Hi, thank you for coming to our website. My name is Fernando Herboso, and today we're going to be speaking about a program that the government has come up with to help struggling homeowners when they find themselves with their mortgage underwater. It is called the HAFA program, an exceptional good program that I really like, and I'm really looking at the results now because we have helped a few homeowners already do the HAFA program. Very easy to understand. It is exactly like what a short sale is supposed to be, what all short sales should be. It is a place where we apply for the HAFA program on your behalf, and you have to fill up some forms. We give those to the lender, and then they will take that in consideration. They will do a BPO or a mini appraisal on your property to see what the value of your property is, and then if it is acceptable to them, whether it's your hardship acceptable to them, your financial situation acceptable to them, then they will tell the real estate agent, in this case it will be me, to tell how much we should put the property in the market for. They will give you already an approval price so we can put the property in the market, and then if someone comes and puts an offer on the price, then we can go through a smooth transaction so we can go to the end. How does that benefit you as the homeowner? The number one thing, a huge benefit to you, is that the lender promised that he will not pursue a deficiency judgment against the homeowner. It's a great deal for any homeowner to know that this could be potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars that you could have a deficiency against you, that the lender is willing to say, that's it, it's done. HAFA program, very good thing for the homeowners. The other thing is that they will even give you money. They will give you some money to help you in your moving expenses because they realize you're in a bad situation. They realize you may not have a place to go. So the government allocated some money. In some cases, that it will be enough for you to be able to go to an apartment or to another townhouse or to another house and rent a new place. So call me. I want to tell you about the HAFA program because I'm very excited about this program. I think it's something that is going to wake up the whole financial world, and we can help and solve this financial crisis and stop these foreclosures that are really damaging the whole economy in this country. Call me. I want to tell you about the HAFA program. My number is 240-426-57. So call me at 240-426-5754. I would like to speak with you specifically about your financial situation so I can give you the options that you will have in order for you to take advantage for this program or any other programs that are out there. 240-426-5754. My name is Fernando Herboso, and thank you. Have a great day.